Good morning to everyone. Myself I am Kirtana from first year MPC and from Government Junior College, Karipalli. Today I am going to talk about the intertwined problems of pollution in our air, water and soil and its direct impact on our mental health. Pollution is not just an environmental issue, it's a public health crisis that contributes the respiratory illness, makes water unsafe to drink and contaminate the food we eat. Beyond physical health, studies show that exposure to air is linked to mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and cognitive impairment. The connection between pollution and mental health. Air pollution. Harmful gases and particles from vehicles and factories do not just cause breathing problems. Research shows a link between air pollution and increased risks of anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Water pollution. Contaminated water can lead to diseases, but the degradation of a healthy environment can also have unseen psychological effects on individuals and communities. Soil pollution. When chemicals and waste contaminate the soil, they not only harm crops and make food unsafe, but the degradation of natural environment we have seen they can also negatively impact on our sense of well-being and connection to nature. Let us not forget that protecting our environment is protecting our own health, both mental and physical. By taking small, consistent steps, we can work together towards a healthier and cleaner future for everyone. Last but not least, we are listening, seeing and talking about the pollution. But once ask yourself, what are we doing to reduce the pollution? We have to give a wonderful and colorful life to our future generations. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ISKCON and community.